Effective weight loss programs, a comprehensive guide to healthier living. In a world filled with fad diets and quick-fix solutions, weight loss programs have emerged as structured approaches to help individuals achieve and maintain a healthy weight. These programs cater to diverse needs, preferences, and lifestyles, offering tailored solutions that can significantly enhance one's overall well-being. This video explores various weight loss programs, their benefits, and tips for selecting the right one for you. Understanding weight loss programs. Weight loss programs are organized plans designed to help individuals lose weight through a combination of dietary changes, physical activity, and behavioral modifications. Unlike temporary diets, effective weight loss programs promote sustainable lifestyle changes that can lead to long-term success. They often include features such as meal planning, exercise routines, nutritional education, and support systems. Types of weight loss programs. There are numerous weight loss programs available, each with unique features and methodologies. Here are some of the most common types. Commercial programs. These programs, such as Weight Watchers, offer structured meal plans, support groups, and professional guidance. Participants often pay a fee for access to resources and coaching. Online programs. With the rise of technology, many weight loss programs now exist online. Programs provide digital tools for tracking food intake, exercise, and progress, often with the added benefit of community support through forums and social media groups. Clinical programs. For those with significant weight-related health issues, clinical weight loss programs may be appropriate. These programs are typically supervised by healthcare professionals and may involve medical interventions, such as medications or surgery, in conjunction with lifestyle modifications. Self-directed programs. Some individuals prefer to create their own weight loss programs, using books, apps, or online resources for guidance. This approach allows for flexibility and personalization, but may lack the accountability and support that structured programs offer. Key components of successful weight loss programs. Regardless of the type of program, successful weight loss programs typically share several key components. Nutritional guidance. Understanding nutrition is crucial for weight loss. Programs often provide education on portion sizes, balanced meals, and healthy food choices. Physical activity. Incorporating regular exercise is vital for burning calories and maintaining muscle mass during weight loss. Most programs emphasize the importance of finding enjoyable physical activities. Behavioral support weight loss is not solely a physical challenge, it requires mental and emotional support as well. Many programs offer counseling or support groups to help participants navigate emotional eating, motivation, and lifestyle changes. Goal setting. Establishing realistic, achievable goals is fundamental to the success of any weight loss program. Programs often encourage participants to set both short-term and long-term goals to maintain motivation and track progress. Benefits of weight loss programs. Engaging in a structured weight loss program can provide numerous benefits, including accountability and support. One of the significant advantages of weight loss programs is the accountability they offer. Regular check-ins with a coach or support group can motivate participants to stay committed to their goals. Sharing experiences and challenges with others fosters a sense of community and encourages adherence to the program. Education and knowledge. Weight loss programs often focus on educating participants about nutrition, exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. This knowledge empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their health and well-being, promoting lasting change. Structured plans. Having a structured plan can simplify the weight loss process. Programs provide meal plans, workout routines, and guidelines, reducing the guesswork associated with dieting and exercise. Long-term success. Unlike quick-fix diets, effective weight loss programs aim for sustainable results. By promoting healthy habits and lifestyle changes, participants are more likely to maintain their weight loss over time. Choosing the right weight loss program. With so many options available, selecting the right weight loss program can be overwhelming. Here are some factors to consider when making your decision. Personal goals and preferences. Assess your personal goals and preferences. Do you prefer a structured program with guidance, or are you comfortable navigating your own journey? Understanding your needs will help you choose a program that aligns with your lifestyle. Program credibility. Research the credibility of the program you're considering. Look for evidence-based practices, testimonials, and success stories. Ensure that the program is developed or endorsed by qualified professionals in nutrition and health. Flexibility. Choose a program that offers flexibility. Life can be unpredictable, so it's essential to find a program that allows for adjustments and accommodates your lifestyle, including social events and travel. Budget. Weight loss programs can vary significantly in cost. Consider your budget and explore options that provide good value for the resources and support offered. Many online programs tend to be more affordable than in-person alternatives. Support systems. Evaluate the support systems available through the program. Whether it's one-on-one coaching, group meetings, or online forums, having access to support can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Common challenges in weight loss programs. While weight loss programs can be beneficial, participants may encounter challenges along the way. Here are some common obstacles and tips for overcoming them. Plateaus. Weight loss plateaus are common and can be frustrating. To overcome this, consider re-evaluating your calorie intake and exercise routine. Sometimes, adjusting your approach can reignite progress. Emotional eating. Emotional eating can hinder weight loss efforts. Developing healthy coping mechanisms, such as journaling or mindfulness practices, can help address the emotional triggers that lead to overeating. Time management. Busy schedules can make it challenging to stick to a weight loss program. Prioritize meal prep and scheduling workouts into your calendar to ensure you stay on track. Social pressures. Social events can present temptations and challenges. Communicate your goals with friends and family, and consider strategies for navigating social situations, such as eating a healthy snack before an event or offering to bring a nutritious dish. Conclusion. Weight loss programs can be an effective means of achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. By providing structured plans, education, and support, these programs empower individuals to make lasting lifestyle changes. When choosing a weight loss program, consider your personal goals, preferences, and the credibility of the program. Remember that the journey to weight loss is unique for everyone, and finding the right approach can lead to improved health and well-being. By focusing on sustainable changes rather than quick fixes, individuals can enjoy a healthier life and a more positive relationship with food and exercise. With the right mindset and support, successful weight loss programs can transform not just your body, but also.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.